volunteer, Jaswinder Singh, has been cooking and delivering food to them, and he joins us now. Thanks so much for coming on the programme. It really is remarkable voluntary work that you're doing. Congratulations. But tell us more about the conditions the people are living in these towers in Melbourne. And I understand they were completely unprepared for the lockdown.
Yes, for not just for the residents of these tower, but for everyone else as well. This news was like immediate and come in a certain way. No one was expecting this, especially the residents. And when it happens with the full restrictions. It was like these blocks have been converted into a fort, and no one can go in and out. So people who are living there were in shock, and at the same time they were in the stress.
And as you said, they've been converted into a fort. Some health officials have been even calling them vertical cruise ships with the potential to really spread COVID-19. So what measures are you taking when you deliver the food? Do you meet the residents? How close do you go? And how are they?
At the moment, the residents there are quite fine. This is the situation on the first day, which is on the Sunday, the 5th of July. When we reach up there, we contact Victoria Police first, and then they lead us to Department of Health and Human Services, which set up a spot for us to deliver the food to them. And later on, the situation being de-escalate, authorities take over the charge, and they started managing the situation more effectively. Now there are a couple of organizations working there, a lot of departments of Victoria Congress is working there. And they are trying to managing the situation, and they are providing all the essential services to the people living there.
And Jaswinder, what are you and your team cooking, and who's helping you pay for this food? Is it the government?
No, Sikh Volunteers Australia, the organization I work with, is actually a volunteer-based organization, and majority of our funds came from the donations. With those donations, we prepare, we purchase, and we cook the meals, and we try to serve anywhere in Australia where people are struggling or are in need. So it is a community contribution. Government do help us in times with the grants or stuff, but most of I will say more than 90% is actually the community contribution.
And very quickly, what exactly are you cooking?
We cook vegetarian meals. We have 25 dishes with.
Okay. Jaswinder Singh, thank you very much indeed for talking to us here on TRT World, and good luck with your work.